It is an absolute gorgeous day. We're here in Sun City, Arizona. This is Carla, and temperature is what, in the low 80s right now, do you think? It's absolute gorgeous. Great place to live. If you're thinking about relocating, this is an absolute gorgeous place to move to Sun City, Arizona. And we'll offer a free relocation guide a little later on in the video, okay? But, Carla, you have a lot of clients. Obviously, they're retired. Yep. They're looking in this wonderful area, Sun City, which is age restricted. So when you meet with a client, first of all, are a lot of them pre-qualified? And what kind of question do they typically have for you?
Well, the first thing that I do when I have a new buyer is to make sure that they're pre-qualified. And if they're not pre-qualified, then I send them to you, Fred.
Good idea.
There are some special loan programs for retired people, aren't there?
There are. One in particular that a lot of people really don't know about. It's called a reverse mortgage. Yeah, a reverse mortgage. You could actually purchase a home with a reverse mortgage, which a lot of people don't know that they can do that. And there are advantages. So, for example, if you have a client, Carla, that maybe they're on a limited budget, but they want to maybe downgrade from the home that they're currently in, but they don't want to have a mortgage payment. Okay, so they're willing to take whatever assets they have, and let's say the home's $250,000 home, and let's say they have about $300,000 in assets. So they figure, well, I guess we'll buy the home in cash. That way we won't have the mortgage payment, but it's going to drain their account, and that worries them as well, because what if something happens? What if there's an emergency? What if they need home care? Whatever it is. So the advantages of reverse mortgage is you have to be 62 or older, and if you want to purchase a home and you could have put at least half of the money down. So let's say you're buying a $250,000 home and they have $125,000 to put down. They could do that, and let's say they've got the other $125,000 that they could keep in their account instead of buying the whole home in cash. You could actually buy a home with a reverse mortgage with at least 50% down, and then you don't have a mortgage payment, which is fantastic. Great. Now, you still have to pay your monthly taxes and insurance, HOA, and you have to upkeep the home. But bottom line is, that's a great loan program for a lot of folks that they didn't even know that they could buy a home with a reverse mortgage.
That can make a huge difference.
It's a huge difference because they'll be able to keep more money in their account. So maybe they could go on a vacation, maybe if they have expenses that they didn't know were popping up, now they have that security and the money in their account where they could use it for whatever else. The folks that you help out, they're veterans.
Oh yeah.
And so now, from your experience, do a lot of vets understand or know that they could even use their benefit?
The vets that I've worked with know about the benefit, but there are some, I'm sure, that don't know what a great loan the VA is. Yeah, so veterans could actually buy a home with zero money down, basically, which is great. And if you're not sure about your benefit, you can talk to me, and I'll even look up your certificate of eligibility for you online. I'd be more than happy to do that. You might even find that you're exempt. Now, what I mean by exempt, you're exempt from what they call the funding fee, which is a huge fee that they tack on a loan, almost like a mortgage insurance policy fee, but it's called a funding fee. And so if you have a service-related disability when you're rated 10% or higher, then you're actually what they call exempt, and you don't have to pay that funding fee, which could save some folks, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $8,000 that adds on the loan. So a lot of people don't know that. So VA loan programs are fantastic. The loan programs which are great, FHA loans. Now those are for typical first-time home buyers. Minimum down is at least 3.5%. They have also, there's down payment assistance programs, which if you don't have a lot of money to put down, but you still want to buy a home, you might be able to get down payment assistance. And a lot of times with these programs, you can even give gifts from family members. So if there's a senior who wants to buy a home, I've had it where their children, gifted them some monies which can help go pay for maybe the balance of the closing costs, and they don't have to come in with anything. And then there's obviously conventional loan programs where minimum down is 5%.
And also with the conventional loan program, if you put 20% more down, then you won't have that mortgage insurance premium payment. But those are really the main programs that seniors can take advantage. If you haven't heard about a reverse mortgage and you want to maybe take advantage of that,
all you need to do is go to the description section of this video, click on the link, and we'll send you a free reverse mortgage brochure.
I'll also make available a relocation guide for Sun City. If you want that, I'll be more than happy to send that as well, if you just have general questions. Let us know if there's any way we can help you, and enjoy the rest of your day.
It's a beautiful one.
It's a beautiful day for a ball game. One more thing, don't forget to like my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, testing. Carla, give us a test.
Test, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Take 1. Loan programs for seniors. Okay, today temperature is probably in the... Okay, take 2. In 3, 2, 1.
Peace.
So Carla's a realtor in this area. What the? 3, 2, 1. Okay.